Well, hello and welcome to this video about Windows 98. Now, there will be a Windows 2000 version as well, because there's been requests for more videos like this. So let's just get started. This is Windows 98. And this is taking a while. Okay, so now we have finally got onto the logon screen. So as you can see, I'm just going to make this full screen. We can click cancel here. And we've logged on. Okay, so let's first take a look at system properties. As you can see, it doesn't recognise the processor. This is an Intel Xeon processor, by the way. We have Internet Explorer 6.0. Probably, I think it's 6.0 because of the icon, but something like that. We have Opera. And this is probably, well, I can tell you in a minute. This is Opera 10.6. What year is Opera? This is from 2010, so it's an old browser. But of course, their website still works. I don't know where I did this from. Let's try out YouTube. It won't work, but we can try it. Someone's been on Facebook on here. YouTube actually loads pretty well. It's very slow, but and we don't have any images. But the layout for you, oh, here come the images. It's just been very, very slow. But the actual browser can still display YouTube. Okay then, what else can I show you on the browser when it unfreezes, because YouTube is terrible for this. Yeah, YouTube has now killed the browser, but this is definitely IE6 first build. So let's load YouTube back up and go head over to my website. And let's see how this loads. The software page loads well, no issues at all. Actually, we can go to the YouTube page, which hasn't been finished yet. And again, still works. Let's try Facebook. Facebook.com. And again, Facebook also loads correctly. I'm actually going to open this. Let's come out of that. Let's talk about what else Windows 98 has to offer. We have Windows Media Player 9. And when it loads, I will show you something on Media Player 9. I think closing the browser may help. We also have Kodak imaging. Here we are. Media Player 9. Let's look at the media library. That is the only thing it actually found. If we go into the Windows folder, and then head over to the media folder, we will find some of the same folders. No MIDIs installed on this, obviously, because someone has decided to change the settings. Yep, we have. But we also have the older version of Windows Media Player. We might have Microsoft Media Player as well, but MPlayer. I don't know, I can't remember the command for it. MPlayer. Yep, we have the original Microsoft Media Player. This is the Windows 95 one. We also have MPlayer 2. And as you can see, this is Media Player 6. We have that. If we head over, we can also see we have the MS-DOS prompt. Win that. This is second edition, of course, because it's 1999. 4.10.2.2.2. What else do we have? Internet Connect CD player. Again, that was originally from Windows 95. We also have the games, but not all of them. I'm sure there's more games than that available. Personal web server. Welcome to Windows. Okay, I'm just going to quickly talk here. I couldn't get the team Easter egg to work, so yeah. I'm just looking to find the credits Easter egg for Windows 98. Window. What else do we have? We do not have Office on here. Do we have Flash? We do have Flash. Let's take a look at the control panel. And we might be able to do this. A certain version of Flash. Flash does show up here sometimes. Flash doesn't want to show up. So what I'm going to do is open up Opera, and we're going to find a website that has Flash in it. Flash version checker. Okay, so we're going to search for Flash version checker. Does it say here? Well, Adobe's website doesn't work, but YouTube clearly does. In fact, you know what? We're going to try and watch one of my videos on YouTube. How about that? Let's see if we can get a YouTube video to play. Okie dokes. Okay, let's find a video. How about we go for Microsoft slide. And as you can see, YouTube is actually playing.
Meet the Microsoft Mouse Line. There's a mouse
Yeah,
for
we have no
everyone,
controls,
whether
but
you're an
YouTube
expert
is
or
playing
first-time buyer.
on
Let's
Windows
start with the
98.
basics. The basic mouse is the simple choice. Efficient, economical, your basic mouse is built to last. Ah, but add a wheel and you're on a roll. With the wheel mouse, just roll the wheel and scroll through your document with IntelliPoint software. For comfort, millions rely on the Microsoft mouse, designed to fit the palm of your hand.
Oh, we do have controls, but we have no buttons.
The more efficient way to
But we do have YouTube on Windows 98 still.
work. With auto scroll, just press the wheel, set a speed, and watch your document scroll, no hands. The IntelliMouse Pro gives you all the features of the IntelliMouse, including zooming in and out and scrolling side to side, plus a new level of comfort. And if your desk space is getting tight, try the IntelliMouse Trackball. The big wheel needs less space to move. It's the only trackball with IntelliMouse. Options are the key to choosing the right mouse. Microsoft makes it easy. To choose the right mouse, start by looking for the Microsoft Mouse Line.
Well, there we are. We ain't having that on, definitely not. We can watch YouTube on Windows 98. I'm not bothering to download any software because I do not have the time. But in the future, I intend, well, next week, maybe even, next week, maybe even Sunday, I intend to do a Windows 2000 version. And the Windows 2000 version will probably contain the installation of some software. Before we finish, let's just take a final look at it. Windows 98 is an MS-DOS based operating system. It's older than me. Well, second edition is a few months older, and first edition is a year and a half older-ish. And as you can tell by the name of this, it's MS-DOS based. And if you want, you can actually restart into MS-DOS mode, and we'll do that. Okay. This is supposed to be restarting into MS-DOS mode. Sorry for that. When it wants to. And of course, Windows 98 does not want to restart into MS-DOS mode. But if you wanted to, you can. Anyway, thank you for watching.